Welcome back, everyone, to Senior Care Insights. You know how much we talk about staying active and independent as we age.
It's so important.
And today, we're zeroing in on something that's absolutely crucial for that. Leg strength.
Ah, yes.
It's easy to overlook, but think about it. Our legs, they carry us through life, literally.
Every step, every day.
From walking to climbing stairs, even just getting up from a chair, strong legs.
They're the foundation.
Exactly. And we've been digging into some fascinating research about the role of nutrition in keeping those legs strong as we get older. And guess what?
What's that?
What we eat can have a surprisingly big impact.
Makes sense when you think about it. Food is fuel, right?
Absolutely. And we're going to break down 6 incredible foods that can really make a difference.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Let's hear it.
First up, something that might surprise you.
Okay.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes, huh? I wouldn't have guessed that.
I know, right? They're often seen as a side dish, but they're packed with benefits for leg strength.
Like what? Fill me in.
Well, they're known for providing energy. But it's not just any energy. It's sustained energy release, which is crucial as we age.
Ah, I see where you're going with this.
Think of it this way. Sweet potatoes have these complex carbohydrates that break down slowly, giving you a steady stream of energy throughout the day.
So no sugar crashes.
Exactly. No more hitting that afternoon slump where your legs feel like lead.
I can definitely relate to that.
And here's the thing. As we age, our bodies don't always use and store energy as efficiently.
Right.
So that sustained release from sweet potatoes is even more valuable for preventing those energy dips that can really affect our legs.
Interesting. So it's like a long-lasting battery pack for our muscles.
I like that analogy. Now, another thing that impressed me is that sweet potatoes are amazing for muscle recovery.
Oh, tell me more about that. Muscle recovery is so important, especially as we get older.
You got it. Every time we use our muscles, even in everyday activities like walking,
Yeah.
we create these tiny micro tears in the muscle fibers.
It's just normal wear and tear, right?
Exactly. And when we're younger, our bodies are pretty good at repairing them quickly.
Not so much as we get older, though.
Exactly. But here's where sweet potatoes come in.
Okay.
They are full of vitamin A, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it actually helps speed up that repair process in muscle tissue.
Oh, so it's like having a little repair crew working on your muscles after you've been active.
Exactly. A built-in recovery team. And what that means is potentially less stiffness and soreness.
Now, that's a benefit I can get behind. Who doesn't want less stiffness?
Seriously. Now, here's something else you might not know.
What's that?
Sweet potatoes. They're potent inflammation fighters.
Now we're talking. Inflammation. That's a huge issue as we age. I see it all the time with my patients.
And for good reason. Chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle weakness in older adults. It's like this constant low-grade stress on your body.
It's like a slow burn that wears down those muscles over time.
A perfect way to put it. But sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene.
Beta-carotene. I've heard of that.
It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, and it helps reduce oxidative stress, which you can think of as damage to your cells.
Including muscle cells, right?
Yes, and joint cells too.
So by eating sweet potatoes, we're not just getting energy and aiding muscle recovery, but also actively combating this underlying inflammation.
You got it. 3 major benefits all in one delicious package.
Impressive. I'm already a fan, and we're just getting started.
I know, right? Now, one more thing about sweet potatoes that's worth mentioning.
Okay, lay it on me.
They are a great source of potassium.
Potassium. Why is that so important for leg strength?
Well, think about it this way. Every time you take a step, your leg muscles have to contract and relax.
Right.
Potassium is crucial for those muscle contractions to happen smoothly.
Ah, I
And it's
see.
not just about movement. Potassium helps with nerve function and even hydration, all of which play a role in keeping your legs strong and stable.
So if your potassium levels are low,
You might experience things like cramps, weakness, and even an increased risk of falls.
falls are a serious concern for older adults.
They absolutely are, and sweet potatoes can be a delicious way to help prevent them.
So we've got energy, recovery, inflammation fighting, and potassium. That's a pretty impressive resume for the humble sweet potato.
It really is, and here's a bonus.
A bonus.
The fiber in sweet potatoes, it's fantastic for gut health.
Gut health. What does that have to do with leg strength?
I know it might seem a little out there, but hear me out.
Okay, I'm listening.
Your gut is responsible for absorbing nutrients from the food you eat.
Right.
If your gut isn't healthy, your body might not be getting all the good stuff it needs from those healthy foods, even if you're eating them regularly.
So it's like having a leaky pipeline. You can pour in all the nutrients you want, but if the pipes are damaged, they won't reach their destination.
A perfect analogy.
Yeah.
And fiber helps keep that pipeline strong and efficient, so all those amazing nutrients from the sweet potatoes can reach your leg muscles and do their job.
Fascinating. So, a healthy gut equals strong legs.
In a way, yes.
I'm learning so much today.
Me too. And the best part is, sweet potatoes are so versatile you can roast them, mash them, make sweet potato fries, add them to soups, stews, even stubbies. The possibilities are endless.
You've officially convinced me. I'm adding sweet potatoes to my shopping list.
Excellent choice. Okay, ready for our next leg strengthening superstar.
Hit me with it.
It's oats.
Oats. I'm intrigued.
I know, they might not seem like the most exciting food, but trust me on this. Oats are a secret weapon for leg strength and resilience.
Okay, I'm all ears. Tell me why.
Well, first off, oats are another food with a low glycemic index.
Glycemic index. That rings a bell. Remind me what that is again.
Sure, the glycemic index, or GI, is a way to measure how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels.
Right.
And low GI foods like oats, they release energy slowly and steadily.
So no energy spikes and crashes.
Exactly. It's like providing your leg muscles with a constant supply of fuel to keep them going throughout the day.
That's so important for older adults who may experience fatigue more easily.
Absolutely, and oats don't stop there. They also provide a good amount of plant-based protein.
Protein is crucial for muscle health, isn't it?
It is. Protein helps build and repair muscle tissue.
And as we age, we naturally lose some muscle mass.
You got it. So getting enough protein from sources like oats becomes even more important to maintain those strong leg muscles.
Gotcha. So while it may not be as protein-packed as a chicken breast or a steak,
All right.
the protein in oats still contributes to overall muscle health.
Exactly. It all adds up. Now, are you ready for another impressive oat benefit?
Always.
They're a good source of iron.
Iron. Interesting.
And here's why it matters. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen to all the tissues in your body, including those hardworking leg muscles.
So it's like the delivery system for oxygen.
Exactly. And when your iron levels are low, you can feel tired and weak.
Yeah, I've definitely experienced that.
And your legs might feel heavy and tired more quickly.
Oh.
Oats can help make sure your leg muscles are getting the oxygen they need to perform at their best.
So no more feeling like you're dragging your legs around.
Exactly. Now, one more mineral that oats excel at providing. It's magnesium.
Magnesium. Why is that important for our legs?
Well, magnesium is crucial for muscle function, and it can help prevent those annoying leg cramps and spasms.
Oh, those nighttime leg cramps can be brutal.
They really can be.
So getting enough magnesium could be a game changer.
It really could. And oats also have that wonderful versatility.
Like sweet potatoes?
Exactly. Classic oatmeal is always a good option, but you can also add oats to smoothies, sprinkle them on yogurt, or incorporate them into baked goods.
Lots of ways to sneak them into your diet.
Exactly, and reap those amazing benefits for your legs. Okay, ready for our next powerhouse food.
Always.
This one's a bit trendier.
Okay.
Avocado.
Avocado, the millennial favorite. What makes it so good for leg strength, though?
Avocados are full of healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats.
Healthy fats. Good fats versus bad fats. It can be so confusing for people.
I hear you, but monounsaturated fats, they're the good guys. And they actually actively work to reduce inflammation in the body.
Okay, we've been talking about inflammation a lot today. Remind me why that's so important for our legs.
Sure. Inflammation can affect our joints and muscles, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility.
Right. It's that slow burn we talked about that can really wear things down.
Exactly. And by reducing inflammation, avocados can help ease joint pain, relax those muscles, and improve flexibility in your legs.
That makes a lot of sense. So eating avocados is like giving your legs a little TLC.
Exactly. Now, are you ready for this? Avocados also happen to be loaded with potassium.
Really? More than bananas?
Believe it or not, yes. They actually contain even more potassium than bananas, which are often touted as the potassium kings.
Wow, that's impressive.
And remember, potassium is vital for those muscle contractions.
To help us move smoothly and prevent cramps.
Precisely. And avocados have another trick up their sleeve.
What's that?
They're a good source of vitamin E.
Vitamin E.
It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your muscles from damage.
Damage from what?
From things like free radicals, which are these unstable molecules that can harm our cells.
Oh, right. Free radicals. Those little troublemakers.
Exactly. And vitamin E, it's like a shield for your muscles, helping them stay strong and healthy.
Interesting. So it's protecting our muscles from the inside out.
Exactly. And the healthy fats in avocados. They also support good circulation, ensuring those leg muscles are getting enough oxygen and nutrients.
To keep them energized and prevent that heavy feeling.
You got it. And the best part,
What's that?
avocados are delicious and versatile.
So many ways to enjoy them.
On toast, in smoothies, in salads, as guacamole.
Endless possibilities.
Okay, moving on to our next leg strength champion. This one's a real crowd pleaser.
Oh, I'm excited for this one.
Berries.
Berries. Like blueberries, strawberries,
Ah,
raspberries.
All of them. They're like little powerhouses of nutrition, especially when it comes to leg strength.
That's interesting. Tell me more about that.
Well, we often hear about how berries are packed with antioxidants, right?
All right.
And those antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting something called oxidative stress.
Oxidative stress. That sounds serious.
It can be. Oxidative stress is basically an imbalance in your body where you have too many free radicals damaging cells.
And those free radicals can damage muscle cells, right?
Yes, and that can lead to weakened muscles and even contribute to joint problems over time.
Gotcha. So the antioxidants in berries are like a defense system, neutralizing those free radicals before they can wreak havoc.
Exactly. They're like little protectors, shielding your muscle cells and helping to maintain leg strength.
I love that. Little protectors. Berries are the bodyguards of the muscle world.
I love that analogy. Now, here's another perk of berries that we've touched on before.
Okay.
They have powerful anti-inflammatory properties.
So once again, we're tackling that chronic inflammation that can cause so much trouble in our legs as we age.
Exactly. By reducing inflammation, berries can help ease joint pain, improve flexibility, and keep your legs moving smoothly.
Less pain, more mobility. That's what we all want.
Absolutely. And berries have one more trick up their sleeve. They're a good source of vitamin C.
Vitamin C, I usually think of that for immune support.
That's true, but vitamin C is also crucial for collagen production.
Collagen.
It's a protein that forms the building blocks for our muscles, tendons, and ligaments.
Ah, so it's like the glue that holds everything together.
Exactly. And as we age, our natural collagen production declines.
So getting enough vitamin C can help support those tissues in our legs and keep them strong.
You got it. And the best part is, berries are so easy to enjoy. Throw a handful on your breakfast cereal or into your yogurt, add them to smoothies, or just snack on them throughout the day.
Nature's candy.
Exactly. Delicious and so good for you. Okay, are you ready for another protein powerhouse?
Bring it on.
It's salmon.
Salmon.
Oh.
Now we're talking. I love salmon.
It's such a nutritious fish, and it's especially beneficial for leg strength.
Oh, I know it's good for you, but remind me why.
Well, first and foremost, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein.
Protein, the building blocks of muscle.
You got it. And remember, as we age, our body's ability to repair and build muscle naturally slows down.
Right, so getting enough protein becomes even more crucial to counteracting that.
Exactly. And the protein in salmon, it provides those essential building blocks to help maintain strong leg muscles.
Excellent. Now, I can't talk about salmon without mentioning those famous omega-3 fatty acids.
Ah, yes. Omega-3s.
Everyone's talking about them, but how do they specifically benefit our legs?
Well, omega-3s, they're powerful anti-inflammatories.
So again, we're addressing that chronic inflammation that can lead to so many problems in our legs.
Yeah, exactly.
Pain, stiffness, you name it.
By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help ease those aches and pains and improve mobility in your legs.
Fantastic. Any other benefits of omega-3s we should know about?
Yes, omega-3s also play a crucial role in improving blood flow. And good circulation is essential because it ensures that your muscles are receiving a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients.
Ah, so it's like keeping those delivery routes to your muscles clear and efficient.
Precisely. And interestingly, omega-3s can also enhance nerve function.
Really? Nerve function too?
Yes, and this is important because it helps ensure that the signals from your brain to your leg muscles are transmitted quickly and effectively.
So that translates to better coordination, balance, and smoother movements.
Exactly. Now, here's one more thing I love about salmon.
What's that?
It's a good source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12.
B vitamins are essential for energy, right?
They are, and B12 is especially important for muscle function and stamina.
So if you're not getting enough B vitamins, your muscles might not have the energy they need to work properly.
Exactly, and that can lead to fatigue and weakness.
And salmon is also heart healthy, isn't it?
It is. And a healthy heart means good circulation, which, as we've discussed, is vital for strong, healthy legs.
So many benefits all packed into one delicious fish. How do you like to prepare your salmon?
You can bake it, grill it, pan-sear it, add it to salads. It's so versatile.
I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. Okay, ready for our final food?
Always.
It's a breakfast staple.
Okay. Eggs.
Eggs! Classic, yet powerful.
Exactly. Eggs are a true nutritional powerhouse, and they're especially valuable for supporting leg strength as we age.
Oh, tell me more about that.
Well, one of the most important things about eggs is that they're a complete protein source.
Complete protein, that means.
It means they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own.
Right.
And those amino acids are the building blocks for muscle repair and growth,
So important for maintaining strong muscles as we age.
especially because our bodies become less efficient at processing protein as we get older.
Makes sense. So getting all those essential amino acids from a source like eggs is really beneficial.
Exactly.
What else makes eggs so good for leg strength?
They're packed with vitamin D. Vitamin D. I know that's important for bones, but how does it affect our legs?
Well, vitamin D is crucial for muscle function too. It helps with muscle strength, coordination, and can even reduce the risk of falls.
Falls are a major concern for older adults, so anything that can help prevent them is a huge plus.
I agree, and many older adults are actually deficient in vitamin D.
Really?
So eggs are a great way to boost those levels naturally.
I'm taking notes.
Now here's one more nutrient found in eggs that plays a role in leg strength.
Okay.
It's choline.
Choline, I'm not as familiar with that one.
It's essential for nerve-muscle communication.
What does that mean exactly?
It basically helps make sure that the signals from your brain to your leg muscles are transmitted efficiently.
Oh, so it's like ensuring that the communication lines between your brain and your legs are clear and strong.
Exactly. And that translates to better control, balance, and coordination of your movements.
Fascinating. So it's not just about muscle strength itself, but also about how well your brain can communicate with your legs to control them.
Precisely. And just like many of the other foods we've discussed, eggs also contain healthy fats, B vitamins, and antioxidants, all contributing to overall leg health.
Plus, they're so easy to incorporate into your diet.
Right. Scrambled, fried, poached, in omelets, you name it. A versatile and affordable way to support your leg strength.
I'm so glad we had this deep dive today. It's amazing how these 6 everyday foods can have such a significant impact on our leg strength and mobility as we age.
I know, it really is remarkable. And I think the key takeaway here is that consistent nourishment with these types of foods can lead to some pretty incredible long-term benefits.
It's about making those small, sustainable changes to our diet that can add up to big results over time.
Exactly. It's not about overhauling your entire eating habits overnight. It's about consciously including these nutrient-rich foods in your meals regularly.
And it's a great reminder that taking care of ourselves through proper nutrition is something we can all do to age well and maintain our independence.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Now, just to recap those 6 powerful foods. Sweet potatoes for sustained energy and muscle recovery, oats for steady fuel and essential minerals.
Avocados for fighting inflammation and supporting muscles, berries for their antioxidant protection and collagen boost.
Salmon for high-quality protein, and those amazing omega-3s and eggs for complete protein, vitamin D, and choline.
What a lineup! It's like a dream team for leg strength.
Exactly. And remember, by making these foods a regular part of your diet, you are investing in your mobility, your balance, and your overall well-being.
Here's to strong legs and an active life.
Cheers to that. Now, we always love to hear from you. Which of these foods are already staples in your diet, and which ones might you try incorporating more?
Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.
If you found this deep dive helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Senior Care Insights so you don't miss out on more valuable content to support your healthy aging journey.
And be sure to hit that notification bell so you're alerted when we release new videos.
We're here to help you stay informed, empowered, and on the path to a vibrant, active life, no matter your age.
Thanks for joining us today.
Until next time, take care, everyone.